How to enable the Copilot key on your Lenovo laptop. Follow my instructions. The new Copilot key gives you quick access to Microsoft's AI assistant. If it's not working on your Lenovo, you can turn it on in a few steps. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Press the Windows key, type "Check for updates," and install any available updates. Restart your laptop after updating. Next, open the Settings app from the Start menu. Go to Personalization and select Keyboard or Copilot key settings. If you see an option to enable the Copilot key, turn it on. If there's no toggle, it may already be enabled by default. Test it by pressing the Copilot key on your keyboard. The Copilot panel should open on the right side of your screen. If it still doesn't work, check your Microsoft account, sign in. Copilot requires an active internet connection and supported region. You may also need to enable it in the Microsoft Store app settings. That's how to enable and use the Copilot key on your Lenovo laptop. Thanks for watching.